This video will show you how to change out the handles. We got approximately 19 handles here. The reason we're changing them out is because of the plastic tear and getting sharp edges on it on every one of these handles here. Some of them bigger than others. So we got to start off. You're going to need your 1/4 inch with a Phillips head. What is it? A 1/4 inch -20 by 1.25 inch with your 7/16 lock nut. We're going to need to drill out the rivet, whether you do this side or this side, it doesn't matter. We're not going to take off both both ears. We only need to take off one. So we'll start doing that. So now we're going to pop it off. You want to take the handle off and the ear off before you drill, because you're going to use the existing hole as a pilot hole to drill your new hole. Try and stay as straight as possible. Now you're going to put your ear on. Line it up and drill your hole through the plastic so everything lines up. Now you got to take your ear back off and insert your handle. Now there's little dimples right here at the ends of this. Those little dimples fit on those little tabs up inside the ear. You're going to tap it on with the mallet, preferably. Slide your ear on the handle. And take that 1/4 inch by 1.25 inch. The round head on the outside. Goes right in, put your lock nut on, crank it down. And it works perfectly, goes right to thread to the end. Now your ear is held on both sides of the frame here. What's happening when these come loose, if you notice, there's only one rivet on one side of the handle. So what happens is this is able to move back and forth over time as they're pushing the cart, causing this rivet to eat into the plastic, and then the ear falls off. So by having your bolt go all the way through, you're holding the ear on both sides. Now it won't be able to move back and forth. So eventually that will fall off and you'll have to do the same process.